In about 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies will collide in a slow, majestic cosmic merger. Despite the dramatic term collision, this process will unfold over millions of years. Andromeda is currently hurtling towards us at a speed of 110 kilometers per second, 68 miles per second, closing the 2.5 million light-year gap between the two galaxies. When the merger is complete, the Milky Way and Andromeda will form a single, massive elliptical galaxy known as Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. While direct star collisions are unlikely, due to the vast distances between them, the gravitational forces from the merger will cause gas clouds to collide, likely triggering bursts of star formation and reshaping the cosmic environment. The Sun and its planetary system, including Earth, may be flung into a different orbit, or even ejected from the newly formed galaxy altogether. Although humanity won't be present to witness this distant event, the merger will offer future scientists valuable insights into galaxy evolution. Galactic mergers are commonplace in the universe, playing a significant role in the formation of larger galaxies. The merger with Andromeda will represent the next major evolutionary step for our galaxy, providing an extraordinary opportunity for astronomers to study the complex processes involved in galaxy formation and the long-term fate of galaxies. Though it will take billions of years to unfold, this monumental future event will showcase the dynamic, ever-changing nature of our universe.